Yeah, do me away.
Ato Essien the hon shada anye sa.
Nanda o share mask ya na I said na ni sukra ejirinu e wo court abra o
Oh,
ye sentence nti the
oh,
hon en shada anye sa.
oh, oh. Na eba ne saying.
Well, so when you say we've been in court for a very long time. Na sa process we share here na check. Nti ekoya akosi say adana nka ye be sentence no na judgment e ba no. And now plead guilty. But the case initial saying plead not guilty. Say from Sobia ni no. Okay, a day na nka judgment, That was way back in December, no. No pleaded guilty to all the counts of money laundering, of multiple cases of stealing, of conspiracy to steal, any no home account or pleaded. Nti omo you based on section 35 of the Court Act, Then
Yes.
an arrangement or agreement was reached between the state and then Mr. William Ato Essien for reparation and restitution, Nti omo ye ni say omo beti charge ni mu ama no. So he will pay in tranches. Nti April, nanka esen kotia 20 million Ghana cedis. So the 1st of August, esen kotia 20 million Ghana cedis. Nanka nkaye no, na wetia. But after April, no deadline, no can win to me and Chiasa Chicano. And she caught in his mobile, 27th of July. 27th of July, no, if you want to court now, quite assistant, and no more vacation. It's not judging if he say, and come back the Nanka,
What me atria?
and Nanka within the Winnica Canak with Chia Sashikano, or Moshe, yeah, Sicano Swamba. And then they call courts, and the holy brief, Emma, Nansan lawyer, sorry, Balfour Bonsu Asia, editor court maybe say. He can nyadia or mochimia, Nyadia or mochimia, so now more to 2 months. In fact, Ora to Asian, a bra, a season a license, and I didn't time more jobless, so you may be a none the business be pronounced so and the passport in the identity, or born homodin Bia, San Casasicano, or Binyan for Moka project be open from my cost, and as a value at $10 million and called Toa. And the remainder of the money don't go to me here. Now, okay, Kayan or Patch or say, Katia, Kakot to the man 6 months. 6 months to me, and the last 6 months, Manka, or to me, yes, you can't be here. But the Republican, file a motion for the sentence to be passed because when it's a sentence, you pass it, and you already know he was a convict. Just that the sentence was held in abeyance.
Yes.
Or more suspended. Just when you pay the agreement now court to not pass the sentence. State, a move motion, and it was opposed by Ato Essien lawyers, They oppose it on 2 grounds. The fact is, Mr. Ato Essien will exhibit utmost good faith. Say, as same way by your day judgment, you hold you on, no Ato Essien a born whom modern beer. Which makes you 37 million Ghana cedis. Out of the 90 million Ghana cedis into Obia, see a man in Breca Krakan who obey me a Chesicano. If you also, or Yobia, as I see, I know you may be our Yerenema, our Yerenema, in Kakot to know and share our way, and the Ato Essien did 2 more. Or mine other grandson of Munya Sicano, think I am Mano and Breca Cano Chiadia. Nanka Sicana, Cabesho, Mino, Nanka, which means I cabat, judge, and say, was share. Or consider Nema way say, why are dear Sicano, which ye be dear, but they're not a year judge in a yarn share, as some buyer, no. Ato Essien, Momo, echo through a lot of processes. State, acquire call 17 witnesses. Castle in default into pleading not guilty, say, as some buyer, crampon and go save the state, that resources and time almost spending on that long haul of Sayana and car. Ebianka mitigation be beba. But or share sentences, come back 1 sentence be still in anka say the sentence share the highest limit, at the highest, 25 years, but also 20 years. Inti senke dinina ebobo media na nka obetumi akọ kese pa. But odi nkae ni nyina ka ho na odi plea ni ade ni nyina ka ho no. Na bi wo ha na okọ 1 year. Inti ya about 16 counts. Inti ba ko okọ 10 years. Ba ko okọ 5 years. Duki kan nyina bomu na nka owura Ato Essien say yes sentence no Nina Quabum, Buniba friend concurrently now. Nanka, 95 years, Kobaba Nanka, Naboji Sepa, Gina Wumpa, Begreno, Nanka Nyagro. Inti, Odinina Bomua, Nakasiana Womuno, because it is running concurrently.
Yes.
50 years. Inti, that is why we are Ato Essien, all come for 50 years.
Wow. And on behalf of the Republic, no, why in about court?
Well, in the case in a charge, na Deputy Attorney General.
Okay.
Affect Eba. And with me and back into and a name is for a state attorney need the buyer, motion. Attorney General and Deputy Ninya, no behind you, but all share or more Mujima or we are treating way back with Didi a BG Tamaklo.
It was a Tamaklo.
Director of legal or Munina the Park Charles and Court, and Tampa Justice with Messinaka on share the dear sentence, our Mudibaman and Kaswatika. And Munina Kadi, and I presume, say, courts, and answer in the wisdom of the courts, Musha, and semi or market can a chop or more pain, and no quarantine over 15 years. Then, yes, idea, give you a rare Ato Essien and go bet me up for, but courts never counted, be said. Mr. Ato Essien, greedy, say, category dia or sister free bank one who collapse, and yet or no pay. Name mum a thousands of youth out there, no, or moon, more eduma bomb. I'll say, do baby, do classic can be.
Hello? Hello? Hello, Richard? Oh, wow. Richard Kojunya kon ahomano adrop, but we'll work the lines and get him back. Na yetimene atwa because there were some other cases are na court na they won judgment ebeba and ba ko Aisha Huang de no and na enrounds we mamu say OSP application to affirm the freezing of some accounts belonging to Cecilia Dapa na court na betina so and yeah Richard ahomanite ko emepa to asomame.
Okay, indeed, a move from Ato Essien and call OSP case with Madam Cecilia.
Yes.
So, and then you could do court on that OSP no at the petition be at the Akoma Chief Justice or Kase or Mopese or Muyi a justice in your chum. So, Mompesa or Betna Samnus because Wayenia may be a say or more Ecoso say only a some involving the OSP or Nankasa in person, now the office now. On your fair, and they have identified traces of bias. When you say Saja Julia and we see the confirmation, the earlier one, motion normal file on one UCC and on also the grant the abridgment of time, Madam Cecilia Dapa. But beyond that, they feel said there are certain conduct and utterances of Justice Ejochuma. So, Momo Naswa Enyi. Inti, Amoko Court, say, Judge, Edibetu just said. When ya brief, say petition attend Chief Justice on that particular matter. But as why Madam the final lawyers on it was led by Victoria Bad. Now Attorney General, file such a processor, country, complaining.
Attorney General now say OSP.
OSP.
Yes.
OSP no say file such a processor. I say parties to the case, yes, and as a judge not here, so we be complaining the conduct in the channel. Na judge in a rule or was asamna wakano and sana what to be a seminal edia coma Chief Justice. Now na pay by Madam Cecilia Dapa on the Kunal for steps here. Marcoma steps up to the third floor or more for or mobile. What the letter was surprised you or Munina. Tisana no can the OSP no. How are all call about Madam Cecilia Dapa case, on ya ethical. Na Osha, the Ecosono, say, on my Bibia and Fonwa, and your man shut down. It is and then as you could see, or Judge, I journeyed the case to the 18th of October, where it is expected, say, the CJ would have made a determination of the petitioner, Yadi Akwadano.
Oh, okay. Now, Aisha Juan, the end, it's me, Basone.
Okay, on Aisha One, no, my colleague Kukwa Santi, a woman, Chenwahasi, or no cover Aisha One case.
Okay.
Kuku Aisha One case,
Obi, so Aisha one expectations no Madam Aisha one judging the bar say or could you and I say innocent. Not after no I won't them me and I expect the neighbor baba and of course no. Now in Shimuchi say your final legal balance must say the final written addresses, That is what both the Attorney General and the prosecution Attorney General prosecution and then the defense lawyers have filed. This is some last ditch attempt, say you now convince the judge to take their line. And so Madam Aisha one insists she's not guilty of the charges that have been leveled against her. About my muha onye galamse bia sani aban episode the chono so onye galamse bia saye. Na galamse say is likra aban so no ana run here no onko hokrada oni be bia wo. And unti no onye galamse o my mu. And the prosecution is led by the Attorney General have been making a case since this trial started. This is a case that I say it me send a strong signal edema foreign nationals. Say untri mo my muha and be illegal mining. Untri mo my muha and be nyama e be say asas e be say yensu. Inti Aisha one according to Mushemu and no evidence somebody to court me no be say Aisha one has been involved in illegal mining now. Almost sharing the court ever convicted for that. And so both parties now have filed their final written addresses. Judge Odia Semi scheduled the 4th of December to render a judgment. In the 4th of December, Anna Aisha 1 and 1 court ever decided in fate. Say Uncle jail and I say Uncle jail. And once and 4th December, Anna judge ever handed over the judgment. Opuni Stephen Opuni Pimpon and so case.
Yes.
Into a court and there Stephen Opuni tried once again and failed to stop the court from proceeding with the case I also of course. And in fact justice for the new guy now or 30 case, or retirement. The case, Emma, another judge. The judge decided to say, obey here case, afraid. This was not something the prosecution led by the Attorney General agreed with.
Okay.
They got the Chief Justice to take the case and hand it over to a new judge, and the case is now with a new judge. The records are and what judge, is steady to proceed with the case, Now lawyers for Stephen Opunichira mistakes so much correctly they need to get that record and then be able to correct that for the new judge to be able to go on. And because of this, they wanted a stay of proceedings. But the prosecution, led by a senior state attorney, disagreed vehemently, opposed that, and made an affidavit in opposition to that. And case, judge, the prosecution case na edibim, and Stephen Opuni's application, Sanka, the case, to hold, Nanka, review records, it is not found in law. The judge dismissed his application. The expectation is that Stephen Opuni has to appear in court and continue his defense. But as we have known with the Stephen Opuni's legal strategy, the expectation is that Stephen Opuni of this ruling at the Court of Appeal. It could end up at the Supreme Court before it will come back to the High Court for the case to continue.
Wow. Kwekwa Santema mayena se mabo adwuma one Richard Kojonya akon yeda munyina se papa why those are court correspondents for today and the High Court complex I can imagine how busy the place has been.